All right, we're going to have 2 rounds. This is going to be the first round for the barbecue pigtails. The next round is going to be the fried pigtails. Stay tuned. These turned out really delicious and flavorful. Look at them. All right, I hope you guys hung in there with me. All right, next step. Please don't go away. Stay with me. Thanks. We are getting ready to have some barbecue fried pigtails. Now right here, they're soaking in vinegar, water, and I'm going to clean them off with these lemon peels. But I just wanted you to see how I'm soaking them first. And what you do is, before you take a knife and you scrape the skin. I'm holding the camera with one hand, and you scrape any hairs off, and then you go here and you soak them. Okay, I hope this turns out really well for us. All right, I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to chop these up into like little bite-sized pieces, and that's going to be the next step, and then I'll show you what we'll do next. Okay, as they say, everybody in the pool, let's put some vinegar. This water is hot and it's boiling. That's about 1 cup of vinegar. This is called Johnny's seasoned salt. It has everything in it. I'm gonna take this plastic. It has pepper, it has everything, salt, onion powder, garlic powder. It has everything. You're gonna love that. You can get that on Amazon. Let's put some ginger. We really want to make the water very flavorful, so when we put our pigtails in there, that'll be delicious. Onion powder. You determine how much, okay, you all? Garlic powder. I just really like good seasoning. Lemon pepper. Put some complete Saison in there. Now I wanted to have a little smokiness to it, so I'm going to put some sweet and smoky in there. I cut up some garlic, put that in there. A little bit of celery salt. Oh, this smells good already, y'all. And then this is celery and onion. Delicious. Okay, let's let all of that come to a boil, and then I'll show you. Let me see here, just stir this up. I'll show you the next step. Now I'm going to cut the tails up, and then I'm going to add them to this wonderful broth. All right, everybody, so the water is very hot, and now I'm going to add, I cut these up into little pieces, so now I'm going to add these into the water. Say, everybody in the pool, this water is very seasoned and it's going to be really, really good. I'm going to let these cook for 2 hours. So I'm going to leave them alone, and in 2 hours we'll come back and see where we are. All right, there we go. So I want you to take a look and see, this has been 2 hours, but I really look at how the water has cooked down. The water was at this level at first. I wanted to cook, I'm gonna say, it's just not, I think of maybe 30 more minutes. I'm gonna let it go for about 30 more minutes, and then I'm going to take them out the water and I'm going to let them cool off, and I'll show you what the next step is. All right, I'm going to get the sauce together, and what you see here is some barbecue sauce, soy sauce, honey, orange juice, some sweet chili, dipping sauce, some ketchup, some W sauce, molasses, strawberry preserves, and brown sugar. All right, I'm going to start putting all this into the pot, let it come to a simmer, and let it reduce. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, I'm going to start off with the barbecue sauce. Then I'm going to add some of my molasses in there. This is some ketchup. Put some soy sauce. Add some honey. I want it to be kind of sticky. So let's put some honey in there. You decide how much you want, okay? I may come back and add some more, but I'm going to start off with a little bit at first. And let's put some orange juice in here. Some strawberry preserves. I know you're like, V, what in the world? But this is going to be so sweet and savory. And then some brown sugar. I'm going to let this cook down. This is going to be our barbecue sauce for our pigtails. And then I will be right back. Hey, what do you think, y'all? Let me know. Now here is what we have. These ended up cooking for 2.5 hours. And they are so tender. So what I'm going to do, some of these I'm going to cover with barbecue sauce, and I'm going to put them in the oven. I just wanted to show you that. And then some of them I'm going to let them dry out some, and I'm going to fry them. So I want to show you how I've done that. These are so tender. They are falling off the bones, you all. And that's what you want. Gosh, I wish y'all could smell these. There's so much meat in these pigtails. Ooh. I don't know why my mouth is always watering when I guess because it looks so good. I guess I'll put some more in here. Okay, I can't stop loading it up. All right, so this is the sauce that we made with the orange juice and the molasses. We're going to put that on top of the pigtails. We're going to bake it in the oven until it forms a really good crust. You all, these smell really good. And pigtails have a lot of meat on them. I want you to try this out and see what you think about it. Okay, I've saved enough just in case I need to go back and put some more on top. I want everything covered. All right, these go in the oven, and then I will show you what they look like once they're finished. Now the rest of the pigtails, I'm going to put them on this paper towel just so they can dry out a little bit, because we're going to fry these up. Fried pigtails. I'm going to show you how I'm going to coat them in flour and fry them up. And then I'm going to use some of the remaining barbecue sauce after they're fried. Look at our babies. Now I know they don't look too beautiful right now, but they're going to. Okay, if you're still with me, I really hope you are. Whew. These are just coming out of the oven. They've been under the broiler and they look so beautiful. The meat's falling right off. Look at that, you guys. The meat's falling right off of these. Oh my goodness. I'm going to let these cool down because I don't want to disturb them too much. I'm going to plate them up and show you what we have here. Now, we still have the fried pigtails that I'm going to show you. I'll show you those later. All right, thanks guys.